Tesla facing stiff competition. Let's dive deeper into what's happening with Tesla and the EV world. Starting with Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory, it's like a scene from the future. The Model Y production is zooming ahead so fast it's leaving the Model 3 in the dust. This shift is a big deal because it shows how much people are loving Tesla's electric compact SUVs over the typical mid-size sedans. It's all about that crossover appeal. Before delving into the details, hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. The Gigafactory in Shanghai isn't just any factory. It's the heart of Tesla's global EV production. When Tesla first rolled out the Model Y, everyone was all about the Model 3. It was the star of the EV show, hogging the sales charts. But times are changing, and the Model Y is quickly becoming the crowd favorite. Elon Musk, the big boss at Tesla, had already predicted that the Model Y would be the company's bestseller. And looks like he was onto something. So here's the kicker. Troy Tesla's survey points out that the Shanghai factory's production of the Model Y is not just beating the Model 3, it's on track to more than double it in 2023. That's a massive shift in Tesla's production strategy, and a clear sign of where the market demand is heading. They're expecting to hit record numbers by the end of 2023, with Model Ys flying off the production line. But Tesla's latest move with that Model 3 has got everyone talking. They just updated their website with the new Model 3 details, and it's quite the change from their usual fanfare-filled launches. Just a few pictures and a brief overview, leaving us all scratching our heads about what's really new. Now let's talk about those mysteries surrounding the new Model 3. Tesla's Autopilot hardware 4.0. Everyone's wondering if the new Model 3 will be decked out with Tesla's latest and greatest Autopilot hardware. The hardware 4.0 is like the brain of Tesla's intelligent driving, and it's a game changer. But for now, it's a guessing game whether the Model 3 will get this upgrade. The sensor situation: Tesla's sticking to its guns with camera-based sensors, steering clear of the much-talked-about 4D imaging radar. Maybe it's the cost, or maybe it's the performance that's not up to Tesla's high standards for their more budget-friendly Model 3. Radar reservations. There's a buzz that Tesla might be keeping a slot open for the advanced 77 GHz millimeter wave radar. This tech could be a future addition, especially if Tesla amps up their software to handle more advanced autonomous driving features. It's all about staying ahead in the tech race. Battery breakthroughs. The big question is whether Tesla will embrace CATL's latest lithium iron manganese phosphate batteries for the new Model 3. These aren't just any batteries. They could be a turning point in EV technology. But for now, we're left in the dark until Tesla shows its hand. Tesla is known for shaking things up with their pricing, and their recent strategy, especially in China, reflects that. They've been cutting prices on the Model S and X, drawing in new customers but also causing a stir among existing owners. In response, Tesla owners are banding together, asking for all sorts of perks, from free lifetime charging to FSD upgrades. The new Model 3 isn't just a simple refresh. It's a strategic move in a market that's becoming more competitive by the day. Tesla is facing stiff competition from two major fronts. The rise of Chinese EV makers. Brands like BYD are making waves with their range of affordable and tech-packed models. They're not just surviving the price wars, they're thriving with sales skyrocketing. Take Volkswagen's ID. Cross, for example. Its recent price drop is a testament to the intense competition in the market. The push from mainstream automakers. The big names in the auto industry are diving headfirst into the EV pool. They might not be beating Tesla or BYD in sales just yet, but they're catching up. With their deep-rooted design expertise and vast dealership networks, they're poised to make a significant impact. Tesla's strategy with the revised Model 3 is a response to these challenges. They're not just fighting to keep their top spot. They're adapting to the evolving market dynamics. Plus, there's talk about Tesla making regional adjustments for the Chinese market. With Tesla cars being increasingly banned from sensitive areas due to security concerns, will Tesla tweak its sensor systems or software to navigate these restrictions? On another front, Tesla's price reduction strategy for the Model S and X in China seems to be a direct challenge to the traditional automakers. For instance, seeing Mercedes-Benz drop prices on models like the EQE 350 shows just how fierce the competition is getting. Tesla's not just playing the game, they're trying to redefine it. As for the speculation about Tesla redirecting its high-end S and X models to China in response to a slower market in the US, that's still up in the air. The EV market is a battleground and every move counts, and Tesla's not the only player in the EV arena. American startups like Lucid and Rivian are making their mark, gradually ramping up their production in 2023. But they've come a long way from their humble beginnings, and are now showing real promise in the market. Then there's the buzz around Apple's Apple Car. It's all under wraps, but the word is Apple is going full throttle on the design and aiming for mass production by 2026. Apple's known for keeping things secret, but the industry is abuzz with what they might be planning. The Apple Car could focus heavily on smart driving and autonomous vehicle technologies, expanding Apple's tech empire from our pockets to our garages. While Apple is pushing boundaries in the data economy, Tesla's approach is more about controlling the entire chain, from raw materials and battery production to fully automated car manufacturing. It's a clash of tech philosophies, and it's going to be fascinating to see how it all unfolds. Thanks for watching.